Welcome to my channel. It's Egwin here from Beyond Systems. Today we are in our next daily exercise that we are doing this month. If you haven't seen what we do right now, you can check it out on my channel. Basically, we're doing one exercise per day for the whole month. And all of those exercises, they have something to do with stretching, with flexibility, mobility, with strength building, with coordination, with balance, with proprioception, with awareness, with calming down, with learning something about the body. Some simple tools that you can incorporate either in your regular day training or that is a wonderful tiny exercise for your daily life that you can incorporate to just feel better and target a specific area. Today, what we're gonna do is a simple side stretch exercise in a what's called Mabu stance in the Chinese, or in a wide open-legged stance. And we also gonna add a little bit of variations so that you have some things to play with. If you want to stay up to date with this series, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so then you'll get just all the updates every single day into your inbox. And also, other than that, I do also long format videos where I explain things in more detail about body, mind, consciousness, emotions, food, and so on and so on. All right, let's just jump right into the exercise. And we're gonna start in a much wider than shoulder width stance. The inside edges of my feet are parallel and I bend my knees slightly. So really make sure that out of this position, when you bend your knees, your lumbar spine stays long, so the tailbone just drops down. Don't actively tuck it. Just allow the tailbone to drop down. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed, that your upper body feels as if it was resting on this tablet, this plate of your pelvic ring, sort of. So I always bring this picture. Imagine the upper body being a glass of water on a plate that you serve with. So that's the position that we are looking for here as well. And we're gonna start to the left side. Simply bring the left arm down onto the left knee. We use our forearm to place part of our weight here. Extend the other arm overhead and allow the side of the body to gently stretch. Also, when we do this, watch what's happening with the legs. So when I bend over to my left side and I start to elongate my right side, my right knee also extends. Bring the right arm over my head. You can play a little bit with rolling the arm in so that the palm faces down, and at the same time also rolling the right shoulder a little bit down in front. And then rolling the palm up towards the ceiling, trying to open the chest up towards the ceiling as well. And then drop the right arm in front, come back to center and just wiggle it out a little bit. Gonna repeat the whole thing onto the right side. The right arm goes down onto your thigh, left arm overhead, left leg straightens, and then actively try to elongate the left side. How do you actively try to elongate the left side? When you're down there, your weight is covered through the right arm resting on the right thigh. What you do is you actively engage the right side of the body to open up in a fan-like motion the left side of the body. Same goes for the other direction. So here, I extend the arm. See, and I don't just stay straight from my body. I actively engage the right side of my body to open up this side towards the top. Then again, roll the palm down, left palm down, roll the left shoulder slight little bit down towards the front. This shifts the stretch more towards the rear. It's a very gentle, calm stretch. And then roll the palm up. Try to open the chest a little bit towards the ceiling. This also engages different muscles here on the right side that try to push the left side upward. And then let the left arm drop, bend the left knee, and recenter and come up into the middle. And then repeat towards the left, drop towards the left, right arm up and over, engage the left side to open up the right a little more, turn the palm down, turn the palm up, back to center, and give yourself time in this. Yeah? More time than I just used here. So come down on the right side, left arm goes over, engage the right side to elongate, try to let the left fingers pull down towards the ground, roll in, feel how the opening in the body changes, open the palm up towards the ceiling and roll the whole body with it. If you want, you can also look up. Relax. Drop the left knee, drop the tension in the body, come back to center and stand up in the middle. All right, that's the core of this exercise. It's a very gentle and very rewarding side stretch exercise because we use the forearm on the thigh. It is not too demanding on the legs, so it can be done even if you're very tired. So it's not a completely free-floating exercise where you really have to use a lot of strength. It helps with balance, and it also helps, like I said, if you just want to relax, want to calm down a little bit, then this support for your upper body weight is something really precious here. The opening towards the side, this can teach you a lot about tension in the body, also how your overhead extended arm connects into the body side. So you learn a lot about your pectorals, your lats, and also your serratus anterior, all of those muscles down here. So this is a wonderful exercise for that. Something that you can do, that you can add here, is a little bit more relaxation down towards the mid-center line, and also a slight stretch even for the hamstrings if you want. Now that is the variation, the potential variation of the exercise that I was talking about before, and it looks like this. I'm going to show it slightly from the side so you get a full grasp of it. From here, when I go towards the left, right leg extends. I come over, left body side activates to open up the right side towards the ceiling. This pushing the arm down into my left thigh also supports protection for the lumbar spine. So it's really a beginner's exercise. Turn the palm down. Try to roll up. That is something that doesn't have to be there. You can do it if you feel comfortable. Now, roll forward. Let the arms drop. Let the upper body drop all the way down between your thighs. So now you're in full range of motion in the hip joints. Your upper body just drops down towards the ground naturally. The weight of the upper body hangs down. You have a slight traction in a positive way in the lumbar spine, opening that up. If you want to add a hamstring component, you can try to gently pump the hip up very slowly. Drop it down again. Try to extend the legs a little bit. And drop back down. And then extend the legs and come all the way back up to center. And then do the whole thing on the second side. All right. That's the exercise for today. Obviously, like I said, you can do it on the second side as well. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching and all the best. Bye.